Beneath the impressive slopes of Serra de Leba is the village of Manguieras, a small but very diverse community. The Mumuila, Nanyeka, Makubo, and Umbundu cultures share this territory with a great diversity of special birds. Local birdwatching guides take us on this exploration of the region. Near the town, there is a dry forest of baobab and acacia trees. Here we can find an assortment of species of great interest, such as white-tailed shrike, social bare-cheeked babbler, Damara red-billed hornbill, the rare and restricted range Cinderella waxbill, and many others. In years of heavy rain, it is possible to observe the golden-backed bishop, a bird that is endemic to Angola. The rocky hills above the forest have small islands of a very different habitat. Here the Hartleb's francolin lives, and pairs duet vigorously to guard their territories. As we continue west and reach the community of Kakakulo, the landscape changes dramatically. Everything is drier. In this open savanna, dotted with acacia trees, the Mukubo people live. They are semi-nomads who follow the rains to find forage for their livestock. Here the guides show us birds at the northern limits of their distribution. Examples include dusky sunbird and mountain wheatear. To date, 140 bird species have been sighted in this region. Contact the local guides of Manguieras who can help unlock the beauty of southwest Angola.